Now question is, find the value of this. This is the question of trigonometric function. Now just we want value of this, otherwise also question can ask like find the derivative of this. So method is simple. Here this is suppose y. Now y write as first part write same. Now cosec inverse convert into sine inverse. How we can convert? We know that cosec inverse of x we can write sine inverse of 1 upon x, or cosec inverse of 1 upon x we can write sine inverse of x. So this cosec inverse we can write as sine inverse of 1 upon this means what? Reciprocal. So this 5 upon 3 reciprocal is 3 upon 5. In bracket write this reason. So now question is sine inverse of 4 upon 5 plus sine inverse of 3 upon 5. Now there is one formula, that is sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is what? Pi by 2. But here both are given as sine inverse. So one sine inverse convert into cos inverse. How we can convert? There are two methods for that. Simple thing, write this as anyone. Suppose we write this. Let sine inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to sum x. So sine of x is what? 3 upon 5. Now we know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Either use that or just draw this triangle, right angle triangle. This is suppose angle x. Now what is sine x? Sine x is 3 upon 5. Sine means what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this is 3 upon 5. Now use Pythagoras theorem. This is very standard. 3, 5, then this is what? 4. Check this. Because sum of squares of these two sides is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. That we know, Pythagoras theorem. So square of this plus square of this is equal to 1. You can write triangle as ABC. So write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is 3, this is 5. So find out BC, you will get 4. So now from sin x, find out cos x. What is cos now? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here cos x is 4 upon 5. Now if cos x is 4 upon 5, then x is what? Cos inverse of 4 upon 5. And therefore this y we can write as sine inverse of 4 upon 5 plus. Now this sine inverse of 3 upon 5 is what? X. And x is what? Cos inverse of 4 upon 5. So here also you can change this. This x write as sine inverse of 3 upon 5. Okay? Sine inverse of 3 upon 5 is x and x is equal to this. So these two are equal. So sine inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to cos inverse of 4 upon 5. So change this. Sine inverse of 3 upon 5 write as cos inverse of 4 upon 5. Now sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is pi by 2. This is formula that we know. Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. If this x is same, then only we can use. So sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is what? Pi by 2. So here this is sine inverse of 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse of same 4 upon 5, and so this y is pi by 2. So as we want value of this, so that value is what? Pi by 2. And if question is find the derivative of this, then find the derivative of this. So what is derivative of this? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2. Now pi by 2 is 90, that is constant, and derivative of constant is what? 0. So derivative of this is 0. Okay, so only if we want value is pi by 2, and derivative of this given function y is 0. Okay.